Let's explore the concepts of point-to-point return and rolling return in mutual funds. These two methods offer different insights into how your investments perform over time. Understanding these can help you make more informed decisions about where to invest your money. Before diving into the specifics, let's clarify what a return is. When you invest in a mutual fund, your goal is for your money to grow. The return is the profit or loss from your investment. For instance, if you invest Rs1, 000, and it grows to Rs1, 200 in a year, your return is Rs200, or 20%. Point-to-point return is like capturing a snapshot of your investment at two distinct times. You assess the value of your investment at the start and end of a specific period. For example, if you invested Rs10, 000 on January 1st, 2020, and it grew to 13,000 by January 1, 2023, your return is 30%. This method provides a clear picture of growth over a fixed period, making it straightforward to understand how much your investment has increased or decreased. Rolling return, in contrast, involves evaluating your investment over multiple overlapping periods within the same time frame. This approach offers a comprehensive view of a mutual fund's performance consistency. For instance, instead of just looking at returns from January 2020 to January 2023, you would also consider February 2020 to February 2023, and so on. By averaging these returns, you gain insight into the fund's stability. For example, if the returns for these periods are 30%, 28%, 32%, and 35%, the average rolling return is 31.25%. Point-to-point return measures performance between two fixed points, while rolling return assesses multiple overlapping periods. Point-to-point is ideal for understanding performance over a specific time frame, whereas rolling return highlights consistency. The former is simpler, but the latter provides a deeper understanding of a fund's reliability over time. Consider two mutual funds. Fund A with a point-to-point return of 50% over 3 years, and Fund B with 35%. At first glance, Fund A seems superior. However, if Fund A's high return is due to one exceptional year, while Fund B consistently performs well, Fund B might be the safer. Rolling returns reveal this consistency, helping you identify stable and reliable funds. For instance, if Fund B consistently shows 35% rolling returns, it indicates steadiness, unlike Fund A's fluctuating returns. Imagine investing Rs1000 in two funds on January 1st, 2020. By January 1st, 2023, Fund A grows to Rs1, 500, 50% return, and Fund B to Rs1, 350, 35% return. While Fund A's point-to-point return is higher, its rolling returns vary widely, unlike Fund B's steady 35%. This consistency might make Fund B more appealing. Use point-to-point return to assess a fund's performance over a specific period, like from your investment date to today. It's quick and straightforward. Opt for rolling return when evaluating a fund's consistency, especially for long-term investments. This method helps determine if a fund is reliable for future growth. In essence, point-to-point returns are like checking your score in one exam, while rolling returns reflect your average performance across multiple exams. Both are crucial. Point-to-point shows specific period performance, while rolling returns reveal consistency. When comparing mutual funds, consider both to understand a fund's stability and reliability.